House Bill 5164, as you all recall, came before this committee in veto session. We had some outreach from the state's attorneys the morning after the committee hearing, and at their request, we've added Senate Floor Amendment number 1, which clarifies that if a court grants a motion to impound a file as allowed by the bill, a name change shall be reported to the Illinois State Police, and the Illinois State Police must update any criminal history, transcript, or offender registration for each person 18 years of age or older to include the change of name as well as the person's former name.
We should know who's here. We should be able to track any change of name to evade something in their past or history. Here we're allowing that to be sealed. The state police is not getting involved in that or tracking that. That is sealed, and that is going to be an easy path or avenue for someone here illegally to just kind of wipe clean their past, albeit their past is from outside of Illinois.
Illinois is one of a few states that is growing population, but only in the illegal immigrants that are coming here. Legal residents, of course, are leaving the state. And then this was doubled down with the Trust Act that was wrongly signed into law and was supported by the overwhelming majority in your party. And this is the final piece of what Governor Pritzker said, you have to go through me, which is why we're doing this on a Sunday in the middle of a snowstorm with little media out here. This is why we're doing this, is because this is the cover-up. This is how you cover up all the wrongdoings of state policy.
This is not something that was held for a snowstorm. This was legislation that passed the House in May. We had it on the docket for veto session. We held it specifically because the morning after it passed committee, the state's attorney asked us for an amendment. This is legislation that is very focused on removing the requirement for an individual to publicize their name in a newspaper. Let's talk about who those individuals are. Those individuals are adoptees. They're survivors of domestic and intimate partner violence, survivors of human trafficking, survivors of gender-based violence, transgender people, and refugees.